Hi, I'm Anthony TOOP and it's the 6th of February 2014. It's my mother's 84th birthday today. Very special day. And now the market report. Importantly to those of you that own property, things have been looking very, very good in 2014. So we look back on the month of January and there's been an amazing amount of sales and they're very tight in stock. So that means that those of you that have properties to sell this year may in fact have a good time because plenty of buyers, not a lot of property, prices are holding well and sales are happening very quickly. Now it was helped of course with the news for the first Reserve Bank meeting a couple of days ago on Tuesday where they held the rates firm at 2.5%. That's 6 months, 6 consecutive months of the same rates at the historical lows, I'd say industry lows, but historical low of that 2.5%. So those of you that are out purchasing property, it's relatively cheap. The prices are certainly good at the moment. And of course, many are tipping that we've hit the bottom of the market and now's the time to buy. Now nationally, there's been an enormous amount of press this week about Chinese buyers driving the East Coast market really hard. Well, we've seen the same thing happen here. Although Chinese market certainly isn't the dominant market, it is helping to feed that buyer pressure and it is also making an impact on the market, but by no way is that the only pressure. First home buyers are back in the market, investors are back in the market. The range between say $300 or the sort of bottom end of the market right through to about $900,000 in the inner suburbs is in huge demand and we're starting to see a bit of price movement which in a few months time we'll look back and say it either has been an increase in the median price or not. As for the top end, inquiry is good, people are interested. I think the prices are really modest in that very top end of the range. So there's some really good buys out there and it's just generally a very good time in real estate. So for those of you that have got stocks and shares, I'm not an investment advisor, but just sell them and go and buy some property because we reckon properties is definitely going to be the fad for 2014 and perhaps into next year. Great time to be out there. Look forward to seeing you out in the opens and out in the field. And for those that haven't been in property, time to get back in. See you next week.